Hydro Hub crew, I'm your host Nathan Johns. Now today we're learning how to draw a cartoon box. I'm excited, I hope you guys are as well. One more thing, if you guys aren't yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Awesome. Well, let's go down to this drawing, let's go see what we can
So over on the left hand side, we're going to begin by making similar to a circle-like shape, but we're not going to close this circle. This will be the left glove of our boxer. On the top left-hand side, we're going to make one small curved line. Then we'll make one small oval-like shape on the bottom right-hand corner of this glove. Now above that glove that we just made, we're going to begin to make the outline of our boxer's face. Fantastic! Now on each side of the face, we're going to begin to make one C-like shape for the ear. Now for the hair, we're going to go from the left ear all the way over to the right, making a curved line. So now we're going to begin to make the left arm of our boxer. We're going to do this by connecting the left glove to the left ear. Now for this next step, we're going to begin to make the torso of our boxer. So we're going to make one L shape next to that glove. This will be the pec of our boxer. Fantastic! Now for this next step, we're going to begin to make the second glove. This will be right next to the body. Now we're going to make a curved line connecting this right glove to the right ear of our boxer. This will be the second arm. Now we're going to move down where we will begin to make the shorts of our boxer. Now we're going to begin to make the left leg and shoe. For the shoelaces, we're going to make small X-like shapes. Now let's move to the right side where we will begin to make the second leg and shoe. Fantastic, now we're finished with the lower half of our boxer. So we're going to move into our boxer's face and we're going to begin to make very big eyebrows. Below in the center of those eyebrows, we're going to begin to make the nose. To the left and right side of that nose, we're going to make very small eyes. Inside of each eye, we're going to make one small dot for the pupil. Now down below the nose, we're going to begin to make a facial expression for our boxer. You can make your boxer happy or sad or any way you choose. Any way works out completely well. For the last step, we're going to add detail to the stomach of our boxer. This is How to Draw a Boxer. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now let's go color in our boxer during dance party color time.